Happy 2026. I hope you're having a wonderful new year. It's been a while, and I know it's been 2026 for a little bit, and I am just getting around to making a video. So like I said, I hope that you're doing well, and I hope that you had a great holiday season. My extended family was sick through the Christmas and New Year's, and so we just finished celebrating this past week our last get together, and so now I am taking down the Christmas decor finally. Everything in this bin is going to be from the tree here. All the decor from this tree is going into this bin, and it will be so easy next year when I go to pull it out. It will all be together, and I won't have to hunt for things in different places. And I just think this is a really easy and simple way. It just helps me keep my life simple and organized, and it will be very helpful next Christmas when I want to pull it all out again. So I hope you don't mind if we do a little chatting today. This year I'm focused on decluttering my home and giving it a chance to breathe. I have some painting projects that I'm going to be working on, and I think I am probably going to attempt to redo my half bath or powder room, which is on my first floor level. My theme this year is really being true to my own style and really what works best for my home and my family. I really lean towards a cottage style or a traditional style home. So if you like that kind of a style, you'll be in good company here with me on my channel if you would like to join me. I prefer to focus on timeless decorating and those type of styles. I appreciate trends. I'm not against them. I actually always love to go look at what's new in the stores. You know that because I put up those shopping shorts. But it isn't always possible to change everything every year in your home, and especially when it comes to larger pieces like furniture or flooring, you just aren't going to be changing that stuff every year. And I really like to purchase things for longevity, things that are going to last a long time. I like whites, I like blues, I like warm woods, and I really want to stay true to those type of things this year. I'm eliminating the clutter and too many decor pieces, and I am focusing on some main areas that I really want to tackle this year. One of the things that I really want to do is to paint all of my woodwork white. I have been working on it, and I would like to do something with my entryway. I have some painting projects that I'm interested in tackling. I want to eliminate this gray on the bottom here, and I want to make it all one color. So I'll be working on that. This is my powder room. I am going to give this a facelift. I apologize for how it looks, but I'm just giving you an idea. I want to work on this year. We'll see what I can come up with for that and how much I can get done. Another thing that I've been working on is I have been reading through some books. That interior design book is excellent. I've been working through that. And also this book by Michael and Smith is an excellent book too, called House Rules. I have some DIY projects I will still be working on. You saw there I had some crocheting. I'm actually crocheting some garlands. So I've been working on that. I've been trying to focus on some different things this year. And so because I have these major projects that I want to work on, I won't be doing, exactly the same type of videos that I have been doing in the past. But I hope that you'll be interested in what I will be doing and will come along for the journey with me. I still enjoy doing my craft DIYs. You saw my crocheting project there that I was working on, and that's a new thing I've been working on. I've been making those little garlands, and I've been enjoying that while I watch TV this winter while we're all cooped up with the weather's bad. But I do intend to do more of my IOD craft DIYs. I invested money in those materials, and I do have lots of ideas for projects. So you will see me do those from time to time. I do work part-time still, and it is a matter of just time for a lot of things. So I think sometimes people don't understand me as far as a YouTuber. I do crafts, I decorate, I like to go look at new things, I like to go look at antiques, I like to decorate with both new and old things, and I do think sometimes people have a hard time figuring out where I'm coming from. But the fact is I'm not one or two dimensional. Nobody is. Everybody has multi-facets to their personalities, and I'm sure I'm not the only person who enjoys many different things. I hope that gives you a little bit of an explanation about where I'm headed. I'm really excited to work on my bathroom. I'm not exactly sure when I will start that. It's probably not going to be sooner. It'll probably be a little bit later in the year. I'm still gathering my ideas, like you saw there on my mood board that I was making. I really want all of my trim work in my home to be white. Like I said, I like traditional, and I really believe that white woodwork is a traditional thing. I don't think it's something that goes out of style. I know that we're not really doing, modern farmhouse, quote unquote, anymore. I know a lot of people are into color drenching everything, the walls, the trim, everything. I think that is also a classic look. I think it's beautiful, but it's not where I'm going with my home. I like the clean white trim, which I also think is classic. I think when you have wood trim, the wood trim can be very dated. It's very different from, earlier in the 20th century to later in the 20th century to what it is right now. And I always feel white is just a classic style. And so now that I have put away some of my Christmas stuff and I have done a little decorating just for January, for everyday decorating, I'm going to sit down and enjoy a nice cup of coffee and just relax a little bit. And I welcome you to subscribe to my channel if you're interested in what I'll be doing this year. And I just want to let you know, here's a couple more videos for you from the past if you haven't seen me before that you might like to check out. Thank you so much for listening to me today, and I hope that you have a wonderful week.